Now this next problem we're going to work. Now this has to do with a loan, and they're going to give us the terms of the loan, and then they're going to ask us to amortize the loan. They're going to want to know, they want us to separate the payment each year between principal and interest, and that's the nature of this problem. And it reads this way: Joan Messina borrowed $15,000 at a 14% annual rate of interest to be repaid over 3 years. The loan is amortized into 3 equal annual end-of-year payments. A part, calculate the annual end-of-year loan payment. The B part, prepare a loan amortization schedule showing the interest and principal breakdown of each of the 3 loan payments. And C part, explain why the interest portion of each payment declines with the passage of time. Now, the first thing they do here is they give us the terms of the loan. And in finance now, the terms of the loan, that's how much you're borrowing, for how long, and what's the periodic rate of interest. So in this case, they told us that Joan was borrowing $15,000 for 3 years, 14% interest each year. Now, the first problem now, the A part, is they want to know what the payments will be each year. I told you this before when we're studying annuities in the lectures, is that often the annuity is in the question, and that's true with loans. So you look at this right here, you don't really see an annuity payment, but the question contains the annuity. The question is, what are going to be the payments every year for 3 years? They're going to be equal annual payments. That's the annuity. So a loan is an annuity problem. You write down your general equation. The big dollar amounts equal to some annuity times the appropriate interest factor. With a loan, the big dollar amount's always how much you borrow. Joan's borrowing $15,000. We're looking for the value of the annuity. That's going to turn out to be the payment that we make each year. And with a loan, the big dollar amount's always at the beginning of the annuity. That's where you get the money. And so we're going to use our PVIFA. When you deal with annuities, N is always equal to the number of payments. These are annual payments. There's 3 annual payments. We want the annual interest rate, which they tell us is 14%. You look up your PVIFA at 3 and 14%, you should find 2.3216. And if you divide the big dollar amount by the interest factor, you find that the payment is going to be $64.61 and 6 cents every year for 3 years. Now, if you wanted to do this on a calculator, present value is where you put the loan, a negative $15,000. N is 3, that's the number of payments. The annual payments, you want the annual interest rate, which is 14%. Solve for the payment, and you get $64.60 and 97 cents.